The universe should not exist. Everything should have annihilated in the first second. Here are 10 facts about our universe that will completely shatter what you thought you knew. Welcome to Do You Really Know, where we take the things you think you understand and show you how extraordinary they really are. Fact 1. The observable universe is not the whole universe. Everything astronomers can see, 93 billion light-years across 2 trillion galaxies, is just the observable universe. The real universe almost certainly extends far beyond what light has had time to reach us, potentially infinitely larger. We are looking at the universe through a tiny keyhole and have no idea what lies beyond. Fact 2. You are made of dead stars. Every atom of carbon, oxygen, iron, and calcium in your body was forged inside a dying star billions of years before Earth existed. When those stars exploded as supernova, they scattered their contents across the galaxy. Eventually, that stardust collapsed into our solar system, into Earth, into you. You're not just in the universe, you are made of it. Fact 3. Space is completely silent, but also full of sound. Space has no air, so sound waves cannot travel. The universe is completely silent. But using radio telescopes, scientists have converted electromagnetic waves from space into sound. Black holes produce a deep, resonant hum. The sun roars continuously. Even the Big Bang left a detectable acoustic signature, still echoing today. The universe is silent to human ears, but filled with music we are only just learning to hear. Fact 4. Most of the universe is invisible. Everything humans have ever seen, every star, galaxy, planet, and nebula makes up just 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% consists of dark matter, 27%, invisible substance detectable only by its gravitational effects, completely unknown composition, dark energy, 68%, a mysterious force driving the accelerating expansion of the universe, essentially completely unknown. We have mapped and studied the universe for centuries and understand just 5% of what actually exists. Fact 5. Looking into space is looking back in time. Light travels fast, but not infinitely fast. When you look at the moon, you see it as it was 1.3 seconds ago. The sun, 8 minutes ago. The nearest star, 4.2 years ago. The Andromeda galaxy, 2.5 million years ago. The most distant galaxies, 13.5 billion years ago. Every telescope is a time machine. The deeper we look into space, the further back in time we see. The James Webb Space Telescope is currently showing us galaxies forming just 300 million years after the Big Bang. We are watching the universe's infancy in real time. Fact 6. Black holes are even stranger than you think. Most people know black holes are dense and have strong gravity. But the truly mind-blowing facts are less well known. Time slows dramatically. Near a black hole, 1 hour near the event horizon equals thousands of years on Earth. If you fell into a black hole, you would be spaghettified, stretched into a thin strand of atoms by tidal forces. At the center lies a singularity, a point of infinite density where all known physics completely breaks down. The largest known black hole, TON 618, is 66 billion times more massive than our Sun. So large our entire solar system would fit inside it thousands of times over. Fact 7. The solar system is almost entirely empty space. If the Sun were the size of a basketball, Earth would be a small seat 26 meters away. Neptune, the outermost planet, would be nearly a kilometer from the basketball Sun. And the nearest star to our Sun, in this scale model, it would be approximately 7,000 kilometers away, roughly the distance from London to New York and back. The universe is almost incomprehensibly empty. Fact 8. The universe is getting lonelier. Every second. The universe is not just expanding, it is accelerating in its expansion. Galaxies are flying apart from each other at increasing speed, driven by the mysterious dark energy making up 68% of everything. In the far future, trillions of years from now, every galaxy we can currently see will have accelerated beyond our observable horizon, completely invisible and unreachable. Future civilizations in the far distant universe will look out into space and see nothing but their own galaxy, with no evidence that any other galaxy ever existed. They will have no way of knowing about the Big Bang or the vast universe that surrounded them. We are extraordinarily lucky to live at a time when the cosmic neighborhood is still visible. Fact 9. Earth is profoundly insignificant and uniquely precious. Our Sun is one of 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. The Milky Way is one of 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy contains on average 100 billion stars. The total number of stars in the observable universe is approximately 10 to the power of 24, more than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Earth is an almost infinitely tiny speck in an almost infinitely vast cosmos. And yet, as far as we currently know, it is the only place in all of that vastness where life exists, where consciousness arose, where a creature looked up at the stars and wondered what they were. Our insignificance and our uniqueness exist simultaneously, and both are breathtaking. Fact 10. The universe should not exist. When the Big Bang occurred, equal amounts of matter and antimatter should have been created. Matter and antimatter annihilate each other on contact, converting entirely to energy. If equal amounts were created, every particle of matter should have found an antimatter partner, and everything should have annihilated into pure energy. No matter, no stars, no galaxies, no Earth, no you. The universe should be nothing but a vast ocean of light and energy, completely empty of matter. But clearly, something went wrong, or rather, something went wonderfully right. For reasons scientists still do not fully understand, a tiny asymmetry existed, approximately 1 extra particle of matter for every billion matter-antimatter pairs. That tiny imbalance, 1 in a billion, survived the annihilation. Everything that exists, every star, every planet, every atom in your body, is the debris of that 1 in a billion asymmetry. The universe exists because of a cosmic accident so improbable it defies imagination. And nobody knows why it happened. Which fact shocked you most? Comment below. And if this made you see the universe differently, share it with someone who needs their mind blown today.